Deep in the jungle, surrounded by nothing but the sounds of birds and rustling leaves, two friends wake up after spending the night sleeping on the forest floor. As the morning sun slowly shines through the trees, they stretch, look around, and begin talking about something huge they discovered the day before: a giant wild honeycomb hidden high up in a tree. But getting that honey wouldn't be easy. Thousands of wild bees were protecting the massive beehive, and one wrong move could turn dangerous fast. Still, the two survival experts were determined to collect it. They began gathering dry leaves and branches from around the jungle. Working together, they tied everything into a large smoking bundle and lit it on fire. Thick smoke quickly filled the air. This was their plan to safely remove the bees. With the smoke in hand, they slowly moved toward the giant honeycomb tree. One of them stayed below, spreading smoke toward the hive, while the other carefully climbed the tall tree with a sharp cutting tool in hand. Every second felt intense. If the bees attacked, there would be nowhere to run. Thankfully, the smoke began pushing the bees away little by little. Finally, after a long struggle, they managed to bring the massive honeycomb down to the ground. Golden honey was dripping everywhere, and both of them couldn't stop smiling after seeing how much fresh honey they had collected from the wild jungle. But the adventure was far from over. The honeycomb was too large to carry by hand, so they used a thick wooden pole, tied the giant beehive to it, and lifted it onto their shoulders. Step by step, they walked through the dense jungle, crossing muddy paths, roots, and rough terrain while carrying their incredible survival food. After traveling deep into the forest, they finally found a good resting spot near an open area. They placed the honeycomb down and immediately started preparing a fire for cooking. Using dry wood and sticks, they built a campfire in true primitive survival style. Once the fire was burning strong, they cut a large piece of the honeycomb and wrapped it carefully inside fresh banana leaves. Next came the cooking process. They built a simple wooden rack over the fire and placed the banana leaf-wrapped honeycomb on top to slowly grill it. As the heat increased, smoke and sweet honey aromas filled the air. The two friends sat beside the fire, patiently waiting while the honeycomb roasted. After everything they had gone through, this meal felt like the perfect reward. Finally, the cooking was done. They slowly opened the banana leaves, and hot steam rushed out. Inside was perfectly grilled honeycomb, rich with melted wild honey. The texture looked incredible. Then came the best part: tasting it. The moment they took the first bite, both of them smiled instantly. You could see the satisfaction on their faces. After a full day of dangerous jungle survival, climbing trees, harvesting wild honey, and cooking over an open fire, this was the ultimate survival food experience. As the sun slowly began to set behind the jungle trees, they packed up the remaining honeycomb and prepared to leave. But honestly, this adventure feels like only the beginning, because deep in the wilderness, there's always another mystery waiting around the corner.